committed to provide 200 units of free electricity to deserving households, for which modalities are being worked out. J&K is endowed with abundance of water resources that are yet to be harnessed fully. My government is committed to harnessing their full potential so that their economic dividend enhances people's lives and J&K financial position. My government will seek the support of the Government of India for a significant leap forward in our energy sector. Completion of 4 mega hydroelectric power projects with sanctioned capacity of 3,014 megawatts will be expedited for doubling the hydropower generation capacity by 2026, to not only make J&K self-sufficient in power, but also to enable us to generate revenue from its vital green resources. Another 4 mega hydroelectric power projects of 1,818 megawatts will be followed rigorously to get the work on these power generating projects started. The Rangarajan Committee report, crafted under the guidance of former RBI Governor Dr. C. Rangarajan in 2011, recommended a roadmap for creating jobs and enhancing economic growth in Jammu and Kashmir. My government will pursue the implementation of the report with the Government of India to address structural issues in the economy, support skill building initiatives, and stimulate inclusive growth. Effective collaboration with the Government of India would be essential to mobilize resources, funding, and requisite support, skill building initiatives, and stimulate inclusive growth. Effective collaboration with the Government of India would be essential to mobilize resources, funding, and requisite support necessary for realizing many of these reforms. My government will solarize all government buildings with a tentative cumulative capacity of 300 megawatts. Under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bajli Yojana, 84,000 households will be solarized initially. Small hydropower projects will also be given the required focus to harness their full potential. My government is committed to providing free, clean and safe drinking water to all. To achieve this, 3,256 water supply schemes at an estimated cost of more than rupees 13,000 crore are under execution, which will provide functional household tap connections to all the 19.27 lakhs rural households. This will be completed by March 2025. For quality assurance of drinking water, NABL accredited labs will be established at appropriate levels. Tourism sector is a major pillar of the economy of J&K, which can boost various services and industrial sectors like transport, hospitality, agriculture, and small-scale industry, thereby generating incomes and job opportunities for the local population. My government will ensure that all benefits are extended to the tourism sector as an industry. This will ensure that this sector witnesses the requisite growth in investment for improving tourism infrastructure and services. My government will focus on enhancing the quality of tourist experience and devise appropriate interventions to manage the tourist input. Concerted efforts will be made for accelerated development of new tourist destinations both in Kashmir as well as Jammu.
हमें उम्मीद है इंशाल्लाह इस हाउस में आपकी वसाहत से, आपकी मदद से, आपकी सरपरस्ती में